go ahead and get it all uncharted. Make this place go off like a rocket. I could give a fuck if you hate it or you love it. I don't do this shit cause I think that you're running. I just do this shit cause I know that I want it. I could give a fuck if I die today. If I'ma go out, it's my fucking way. At least I'll go out with some pride to my name. With the fight, not a play, that's my fucking way, home. Y'all can sit back and think you were the best of me. I can guarantee that you'll never be the best of me. I can guarantee that this shit's gonna be my destiny. And I will never sleep till I make it, then I'll rest in peace.
Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light this shit up. Shit hot. Oh, I'ma light this shit up.
With the best, you fucking with the facts. Yeah, I don't even know what else to say. Let that 808 right out though.
Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear. Driving to